Sometimes you don't want to write a loop or a chain of maps and filters. You just want to describe the collection you have in mind. SRFI 42 gives Scheme eager comprehensions. You say what the elements are and where an index ranges, and it builds the whole thing. It's in Kaappi. Import it, and let's describe some collections. List EC builds a list. The colon qualifier runs I over a range, 1 up to but not including 6. And for each I, we collect I times I. Read it aloud. The list of I squared for I from 1 to 5. Hand it to Kaappi, and there's our signature line, the squares, described, instead of computed step by step. The same shape folds too. Sum EC adds instead of collecting. The sum of I for I from 1 to 100. The whole Gauss trick in a single line, with no accumulator in sight. And it isn't only lists. String EC builds a string, character by character. Take each C in the word hello, and collect its uppercase form. The squares, 5050, and hello turned into hello. 3 different results, 1 comprehension syntax. Vector EC fills a vector just as directly. The squares again, but produced as a vector this time, hash parent and all. And qualifiers nest. 2 of them, I and j, each running 1 to 3, with the body I times j, gives every product in the little 3x3 multiplication table flattened into one list. The vector of squares and the times table. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. That's the comprehension mindset. Stop telling the computer how to loop and start describing the collection you want. A list, a string, a vector, or a nested sweep. SRFI 42 also has guards to filter elements as you go. It's all built into Kaappi. The docs and a browser playground are at kaappi-lang.org. Write the lambda, run on the metal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.